Gotta get my 2-minute update for crypto.com. I'm never trading late. Skip the frenzy, let's check this.
Welcome, CRO family. Thanks for joining me today. Check out the GROKRadio playlist in this channel for amazing Grok music. Subscribing, liking, commenting, and pressing that notification bell is very appreciated. This supports your investment. Now let's compare from yesterday's metrics. The price today for your coin is 8.7 cents, down for 0.95% with volume up to 115.55%. The price is ranging from a high of 9.2 cents and a low of 8.6. CoinGecko is showing a market cap of $2,346 million to 106,000, which is down, and a trading volume of 14 million for 181,000, which is up. Etherscan is showing 313,000, 32 holders, up 31. CoinGecko shows the top 3 exchanges by volume are number 1 Crypto.com with 39.8%, number 2 is Truebit with 12.9%, and number 3 Hotcoin with 10.99%. For our social presence, on X, our main account has 2.8 million followers and our main Reddit channel has 108,000 members. I hope everyone watching today is living their best crow life, and I'll see you tomorrow. Au revoir.
Quickly before you go, can you predict tomorrow's price? Let us know in the comments.
I'm on the chain, see my balance packed. Graphs and charts, they never slack. Gotta get my 2-minute update for crypto.com. I'm never trading late. Skip the frenzy, let's check the stats. Crypto numbers, growing stacks. Round and round, do-si-do. In the crypto dance, we all on tote.